For the first time in the world, here comes a business platform where vendors and customers meet and share a common value. Fijicart, the disruptive business model that has been successfully operational in the UAE since October 2016, is now being launched in India. It is a direct selling and e-commerce platform at the same time. This is an online shopping platform which supports both individual marketplace sellers as well as retail stores who display and sell their merchandises through this website. Over 15,000 people in UAE have been participating in this project, operating their own replicated Fijicart stores where they refer and create sales. 42% of what is received as profit is being shared as bonuses for the customers who bring in sales through their referral network. In India, Fijicart is growing at an amazing pace, adding over 30,000 affiliates in just 3 months. Also, the company will widen its wings to Nepal soon. Fijicart business model is driven by market leaders, visionaries and conglomerates with Dr. Bobby Chemanur as chairman, Dr. Jolly Anthony as CEO and Mr. Anish K. Joy as COO. Dr. Bobby Chemanur is a multifaceted personality who has carved a credible reputation as an avid philanthropist, businessman and sportsman. His religion is love and caste is humanity. 812 kilometers run unique world record holder and Universal Peace Ambassador Dr. Bobby Chemanur has been honored with 123 awards and recognitions, including the prestigious Mother Teresa Award. Presently, Dr. Bobby Chemanur is the patron of Federation of Indian Blood Donor Organization and the leading light of the Bobby Fans Charitable Trust. He is also a partner of football legend Maradona. This business magnate is the chairman and managing director of the Chemanur International Group, which boasts of a trusted tradition of 155 years and has an expansive business presence with 173 establishments in the jewelry, non-banking financial sector and e-commerce. Fostered by 3 generations of Chemanur family, now it has established itself as an invincible leader in the industry. It has grown leaps and bounds to reach the zenith. Now it has showrooms all over the world. New showrooms are being opened at Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Indonesia and United Kingdom. The SMU survey has comprehensively established Bobby Chemanur International Jewelers as the most known and familiar gem and jewelry group for more than 190 million people. Mr. Jolly Anthony, founder and CEO of the Al Safina Group, a conglomerate of over 25 companies, namely Al Safina Travel and Tourism UAE, the Fog Resort and Spa, Fausia Resorts, Munnar, Kerala, Safina Holidays Private Limited, the Great Marina Mall, Good Shepherd College of Hotel Management, Al Safina Al Zarqa Apparels, Al Safina Air Conditioners, John's Furniture and Interiors, Rani Drug House, Explore the Wonders, Al Miknas Arabic Gents Fashion, Sevasonic Digital, Vanes Air Conditioning, Color Cat, Clear Tax. He is one of the most enduring examples of migrant Keralites who have made it big in the Middle East and are now investing in their native towns and villages to transform the same. Jolly is an industry icon in the travel and tourism sector with around 2 decades of experience and expertise in every segment of the sector. Mr. Anish K. Joy is one of the very successful Indian entrepreneurs in the Middle East. He is the man behind Servosonic Digital, Vanes Export International Private Limited, Servosonic Holidays, St. Maria Resorts, Rasam Foods, Color Cat Events Management LLC, Clear Tax Consultant, Major Petroleum Trading LLC, Vanes General Trading LLC, Servosonic, Lloyd Brand Shoppe and Skinco.